Tonight, in the fight between an order of North Texas nuns and a Catholic bishop, we are getting more answers to questions that we've had for more than a month now, including the name of a priest and exactly what sparked an investigation that has now turned into a very public lawsuit. Our Jason Allen has covered the story since day number one. He was in court today for you, in fact, when the Fort Worth bishop took the stand.
2 months after an order of secluded nuns reached outside their monastery walls for legal help, an audio recording played in civil court revealed why Bishop Michael Olson started a church investigation involving the monastery's Reverend Mother. In that recording, Teresa Agnes confirmed she told someone she had broken a vow of chastity with a priest. She named him for the first time as Bernard Murray with the Transalpine Redemptorists in Montana. He contacted our community for prayers, she said, and then he and I were riding off into each other, and then we got very close, and that's when it happened. What happened, Bishop Olson testified, was relayed later to him by a sister at the monastery. She said sexting. Yes, she was sexting, is what she said to me.
It's a very sad matter. I don't think it ever should have come to civil court, and it's just brought a lot of disunity and dissension here.
The lawsuit against Olson alleges he invaded the nun's privacy with his investigation, stole property, defamed her, and took over operation of the private monastery. A judge has to decide if all of that happened within the prescribed church investigative process or if the courts have the right to step in. There was no evidence presented to show the Reverend Mother actually did violate her vows, and Olson testified he never looked for evidence on her phone or computers.
Oh, because she said they happened. And then she refused to participate further in the process, so I thought she'd already objected, and many had objected to the material of even looking at the phone, etc. That I thought it suffices, and then if anything else comes up, it could be uncovered in recourse.
The judge indicated he's going to take some time with this one before making a decision. He said he's got a lot of reading to do now, and he asked the courtroom today, which was packed, to respect that this is a difficult and emotional matter. Doug.
Can I ask you about the priest that we learned about, obviously, in court today? What do we know, if anything, about him?
Well, this is the first time we've heard his name, potentially where he is, as far as if he's under any kind of investigation. Really not that we're aware of. The bishop has said he's notified his superiors, and that the priest, it sounds like, is with a monastery. And Bishop Olson said today one of the reasons he is still holding on to data from phones and computers he took that he hasn't looked at is in case he gets a call that priest needs to be investigated.
Jason, we thank you very much. And Jason, by the way, first to break this story more than a month ago, and he's been on it every day since for you. You can find more of his reporting from today, and if you want to go all the way back to the beginning, we've got it all for you on our website, cbstexas.com.